Together, let's create a community of inspiration and growth. Share your quote in the comments and let's inspire each other to live our best lives. Your voice matters, and we can't wait to hear your unique contribution to our collective journey. So, let the quotes begin, and remember, the most powerful insights often come from the most unexpected places. Yours could be the next. Life is really simple, but we insist on making it complicated. The best way to predict your future is to create it. Life is 10% what happens to us and 90% how we react to it. The purpose of our lives is to be happy. Don't count the days, make the days count. To live is the rarest thing in the world. Most people exist, that is all. Life is not measured by the number of breaths we take, but by the moments that take our breath away. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. You must be the change you wish to see in the world. It is not how much we have, but how much we enjoy that makes happiness. The biggest adventure you can take is to live the life of your dreams. Happiness is not something ready-made. It comes from your own actions. Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. Go confidently in the direction of your dreams. Live the life you've imagined. Only a life lived for others is a life worthwhile. The best things in life are not things, they are moments. Life is a journey that must be traveled no matter how bad the roads and accommodations. Life is too important to be taken seriously. The healthiest response to life is joy. Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. Happiness is not by chance, but by choice. Your life does not get better by chance, it gets better by change. Life isn't about finding yourself. Life is about creating yourself. In the end, it's not the years in your life that count. It's the life in your years. The only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today. Act as if what you do makes a difference. It does. Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. If you love what you are doing, you will be successful. Life is a succession of lessons which must be lived to be understood. All life is an experiment. The more experiments you make, the better. Life is what happens when you're busy making other plans. Be not afraid of life. Believe that life is worth living, and your belief will help create the fact. The greatest wealth is to live content with little. Do not dwell in the past. Do not dream of the future. Concentrate the mind on the present moment. The art of life is to live in the present moment. Life is either a daring adventure or nothing at all. You only live once, but if you do it right, once is enough. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. The purpose of life is not to be happy. It is to be useful, to be honorable, to be compassionate, to have it. Make some difference that you have lived and lived well. To live a creative life, we must lose our fear of being wrong. Do not go where the path may lead. Go instead where there is no path and leave a trail. Every day is a new opportunity to change your life and be who you aspire to be. Simplicity is the essence of happiness. Embrace the glorious mess that you are. Gratitude turns what we have into enough. You are never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream. What you get by achieving your goals is not as important as what you become by achieving your goals. Happiness is the highest form of health. Your time is limited. Don't waste it living someone else's life. Be the change that you wish to see in the world. Difficult roads often lead to beautiful destinations. The only impossible journey is the one you never begin. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. It's not what we have in life, but who we have in our life that matters. The joy of life comes from our encounters with new experiences, and hence, there is no greater joy than to have an endlessly changing horizon, for each day to have a new and different sun. Find joy in the journey, not just the destination. Live in the sunshine, swim the sea, drink the wild air. Life is short, and it is up to you to make it sweet. Adventure is not outside man, it is within. Life is about making an impact, not making an income. The mind is everything. What you think you become.